Welcome to attempt number 2. You see, I'm not in denial. I actually published part 1 as well, which did not succeed. The question is, we have the limit of x towards infinity of 3x squared minus 1 divided by 3x. Subtract 2x squared plus x all divided by 2x. Now to attempt it. You see, earlier I tried to do it with me writing it each step. That's more professional, but my handwriting, it's just much better if I do it ahead of time. So that's the question. First thing I do is I find a common denominator, because it's as the entire question goes towards infinity or x goes towards infinity for the entire question. That common denominator is 6x. So the denominator was multiplied by 2. So the 3x squared minus 1 is multiplied by 2. This denominator was multiplied by 3. These two terms in the numerator were multiplied by 3. There's a subtraction sign, so their signs change. They were both plus, they both become minus now. So given this line, 6 squared minus 2 minus 6 squared minus 3x, all divided by 6x. The 6x squareds cancel each other out. We've got minus 3x minus 2 on the top. And to make it a bit simpler, I can take out that minus as a common multiple. So that becomes 3x plus 2. I divided out that minus. And now, because that's a question of limit x towards infinity, see how I wrote that each line? I divide every top and bottom by x. That means the entire fraction doesn't change its value if numerator and denominator are being divided by the same amounts. So if we divide by x, we've got 3 plus 2 over x, all divided by 6. As x goes towards infinity, you see here, I no longer write that limit anymore because I'm putting what that limit is. That x becomes infinity, which means this term becomes 0. So we've left with that 3 over 6, and that minus is still outside. And the answer is minus 1 over 2, or minus a half. Thank you, and talk to you all soon.